I think the only way to make any change is to make noise. I mean, you have to come in and make noise. You can't go. The status quo has got us to where we are right now, and if it remains that way without any resistance or any noise, it's going to continue and it's going to get worse and it's going to build and build and build. You have to make noise, and you have to, by writing those dissents, it gets to the people, and the people get to see. The people are going to be the ones who create the resistance and force a change. When their voices are heard, it creates a change. Being able to do that, document in real time, know what's going on and call them out. You have to call them out. uh,
Absolutely.
and each time it builds. I mean, at one time might not be as effective, but after three, four, you start to see the pattern and people catch on, and maybe some more courage comes on somewhere, or something happens. But what she's doing is the right thing. You don't come in, you don't sit in there, be quiet. You don't sit in there in the status quo, because you'll never make any change.